This is CNG Sports Cards. We are back with another box break, and today we have a retail break for you guys today. And as you can see, it's Crown Royal Football 2013. And in this box, there are 4 packs per box and 5 cards per pack with 2 hits. Could be 2 autographs or 1 autograph, 1 mem, or it could be 2 mem cards. Who knows? And this is the back to see what you can get. So if you want to pause the video just to see. And it says exclusive rookie signatures. And then featuring a jumbo jersey swatch silhouette. So in this video we are not breaking 1 box. We are breaking 2 boxes of Crown Royal Retail. And I got these 2 boxes on, I think, blowout cards. Yeah, it was blowout cards. And they were like 19 something. So I was like, might as well just get 2. So I picked myself up Crown Royal and a couple other boxes, which I'll be breaking on the channel in the near future. So let's just rip this and let's get into the video. So it should be a quick little break because not too many packs involved. So, should I get them all? Nah, I'll do them after. So first pack from box 1. We got a Michael Vick, followed by Deshaun Jackson, followed by LaShawn McCoy. That was like 3 Eagles in a row. And we got ourselves a dummy card. And our first serial number card, 234 out of 299, Stevie Johnson for Buffalo Bills. And a rookie card of Michael Cox. This might be our first hit. Charles Woodson. Justin Blockman, and here's a red coming up. A 99 out of 99, 101. Aaron, I can't read that name. Maliti? I don't know. Well, there's a rookie card. And Kanan Barner, rookie card. And a pennant fell. These pennant cards, I thought they were in this product. And a Robert Woods little die cut. Robert Woods. Now a Los Angeles Ram. And the hit is a Marquise Goodwin. Ooh, that's a nasty patch. That's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Nice. 82 out of 99. Rookie silhouette. That's a nice card right there. Marquise Goodwin. That's the first hit. And Brandon Marshall. Stevie Johnson. And a Philip Thomas. 12 out of 49 rookie card autograph for the Washington Redskins is our last hit. Dummy card and a Michael Cox again. 273 out of 299. And a Ryan Spadula. Can't really see, the name's kind of hard to read on these cards. And the last pack of box 1. Got a Tom Brady, Roddy White, Kyle Rudolph, and a Eli Manning out of 299, and a Jawan Jameson rookie card. So that was box 1. I mean, we did get a nice patch card out of that one, which was nice. That sick patch, Marquise Goodwin, and a Philip Thomas. So let's get into box 2. Hopefully we can get a nice Bell or a Kelsey. That would be nice for the PC. Well, Kelsey anyways. But a Bell would be awesome too. Or a Hopkins. So here we go. First pack of box 2. Chris Johnson, Michael Vick, Jimmy Graham, and Biden Werner rookie card. And our hit. Oh, we got a pennant in the back. Ooh, a Rob Gronkowski, not a pennant, my bad. 56 out of 299, Rob Gronkowski. That's a nice one. And our hit. A Buffalo Bill again. Oh, Marquise Goodwin. Rookie card, jersey, 74 out of 299. This guy's following us everywhere. Marquise Goodwin. Charles Woodson, Stephen Ridley, and a Kerry Robertson autograph, 87 out of 99 for the New Orleans Saints. Oh, the pennant is Gavin Escobar and Xavier Rhodes rookie card. So hopefully it might be a hot box. I don't know if this hot box is in retails, but there should be, I think. Justin Blackman, Tom Brady, Mike Wallace, dummy card, and 8 out of 299, Michael Ford rookie card, and a Chris Thompson rookie card. Roddy White, Chris Ivory, Dwayne Bowe, dummy card, Vincent Jackson, 84 out of 299, and Marquise Wilson rookie card. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little break of 2013 Crown Royale. I mean, wasn't the best break, but I mean, the best card I think is this Marquise Goodwin 4-color patch. And we got another Marquise Goodwin. And I don't really know these two guys. Don't know if I think Kerry Robinson's in the league, but Philip Thomas, I don't know if he's in the league. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little break, and we'll see you in the next one.